Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Nana, she the chef, y'all wanna meet. Quickie meals, you can all enjoy at home. I can sense that you're hungry, you are not alone. Like, share, and subscribe, don't hold your breath. Stop what you doing, watch Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making a honey bun pound cake. The ingredients that we're going to need today are Baker's Joy baking spray with flour, 1 box of yellow cake mix, 2 cups of confectioner sugar, 3/4 cup of vegetable oil, 4 large eggs, 1 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of water, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a small bowl, we're going to add in our brown sugar and also our cinnamon. And you just want to mix that together until it's well combined and it's nice and smooth. After you're done, you can set it aside. You can also set your oven to 350 degrees. Now I have my bundt pan and I'm just going to spray it with the Baker's Joy. Once you're done, set it to the side. Now in a large bowl, I'm going to empty my cake mix. Add in our eggs, our oil, our water, and our sour cream. Now we're going to grab a hand mixer and we're going to blend it until everything is nice and smooth. Once your cake batter is well combined, we're going to add half of it to our bundt pan. Next, we're going to add half of our brown sugar and cinnamon mix on top. Just want to sprinkle it around. Now I'm going to pour the rest of my cake batter on top. Now you want to sprinkle the rest of your brown sugar and cinnamon mix over top. Next, we're going to go ahead and you just want to swirl it around until it's mixed into your cake batter. I'm going to just continue to swirl it in. Okay guys, once you're done, now it's ready to go into your oven at 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay guys, once it's done, you want to let it sit just for a couple minutes. Okay guys, next we're going to go ahead and make our glaze. So I'm going to add my 2 cups of confectioner sugar to a bowl, along with 1/4 cup of milk and our vanilla extract. And now all we're going to do is whisk it together until it's all nice and smooth. Okay guys, next I'm just going to pour our glaze over top, and you want to do this while your cake is hot. Okay guys, look how beautiful this came out. It smells amazing. Okay guys, so this is our honey bun pound cake. Let me show you guys the inside. It's nice and fluffy. You can see the swirls of the sugar mix through it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?